Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn an old laptop screen into a fully working TV or computer monitor. First things first, we need to identify the model number of your old laptop display. Remove the screen carefully, and you'll find a small sticker or label on the back of the panel. That label usually contains something like LP156WH4 or B156XWU02. Make sure to note down the exact model number, because we'll need it to buy the correct controller board. These boards usually come with all the necessary cables, power, LUTs, and button controls. Once your board arrives, it's time to connect the components. Start by plugging the LUTs cable from the board to your display panel. Make sure it's facing the correct direction. Next, connect the keypad or control buttons to the board. Then connect the power supply, usually a 12-volt adapter. Around 2 amps is enough. Now connect your input source HDMI from a laptop, computer, or even a TV box. Once everything's connected, power it up and wait a few seconds. Boom! You should see your screen light up. If the display works, that means your wiring and controller board are correct. You can even add small speakers. Most controller boards support a 3.5mm audio jack or built-in amplifier pins. Now, you've got a custom-made mini TV or a secondary monitor for your desktop setup. Always double-check the voltage before powering it on. Avoid touching the display connectors while it's powered. To make it look cleaner, you can mount the display inside a simple frame. You can reuse the old laptop casing or make a wooden or acrylic frame to hold the screen and board safely. Be sure to keep the controller board in a ventilated area so it doesn't overheat.
If your screen doesn't turn on, check your model number again. Sometimes the cable pinout differs slightly. This whole project costs around $15 to $25. Depending on your controller kit, it's much cheaper than buying a new monitor and way more satisfying. And that's it. You've successfully transformed an old laptop display into a working monitor or TV. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.